Hi guys, in today's video, I'm showing you how to add music to TikTok videos. The process is straightforward and effortless. All you have to do is open your application. After it opens, tap on this plus icon on the bottom of the screen for recording a video, and swipe it to the right side for recording a new video. And here we have two methods. The first one is to tap on this option background music before recording the video by tapping on this record button. And here are the songs. You can also search for by songs by tapping on this search bar and write the song name. Let's move to the second method. The second way is first record your video by tapping on this record button. After recording your video, tap on this tick icon, which is on the bottom right, and tap on this edit, which is on the third number. I will delete the selected background music. Now here you can see the option add song and sound effects. So here you can also add music and sound, just for showing you. I will add a song by tapping on this add. So here you can see these are the same songs. The benefit of adding song here is you can adjust the volume. You can make it lower or higher if you have your own voice. Then from here you can adjust the volume. Means make lower, so it will not go over to your voice, and people can hear your voice, just for showing you. I'll select a random music. And if you want to make the sound lower, then tap on the song, and you can see the option volume, tap on it, and take this line to the left. So it was primary way by which you can add music to TikTok videos.